Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a unique code. With this code, you can use it to cash out real money to your PayPal or to your Temu credit, whichever one you choose. Yes, you heard me right. You can cash out real money to your PayPal. Of course, you should know that whenever Temu is offering you anything, be it gifts, exclusive deals, or whatever it is, it comes with terms and conditions. So this is not an exception. This also comes with terms and conditions, okay? Now, what is this code? Just type this code in your Temu app search bar and hit the search icon. Win credit, that's what it's called. You type it together, okay? Win credit. Click on the search icon and watch the magic happen. I've searched this code before and I just didn't go through it, what I'm supposed to do, because I wanted to share this with us. I'm sure that a lot of people do not know about this. Now, Temu is offering me 120 euros credits that I can withdraw to my PayPal or to my Temu credits. Now, this is what I have to do. I'm at 90% already, if you can see from this bar right here. So my past purchases, somehow they've counted it, or they've counted like what my past purchases amounted to in coins. Okay, so from here is at 90%. So all I have to do is to buy more things to make it get to 100%. It's just like the free gifts, where you're offered free gifts, but then you need to buy or pay for some items to unlock the free gifts. It's the same thing here. You need to collect coins to make this bar get to 100%, and then you can cash out your 120 euros or 90. You can be offered a different amount, okay, depending on your Temu history, your Temu purchase history. Yes. Another thing you should note is that this money, you can only cash it out after those items have been delivered to you, okay? Once you place the order and you've paid, it's going to be pending until the items have been delivered before it can reflect on your PayPal. Of course, they are going to allow you input your PayPal information and all that. So yes, I already tried it once. That's how I'm able to, explain everything. But regardless, you can click on the rule sign here just to read through and understand how this thing works, okay? If you read through, you're going to see where they say that the money reflecting in your your PayPal account can take, time, like 3 months or so, but it's not going to exceed that. It might not even take up to that, okay? Just read through so that you understand. It's all about collecting points, and the only way you can collect these points is by, making purchases, buying things on the Temu app when you search this win credits, okay? Yes. So if for any reason maybe you can't continue and you want to maybe step out, you're busy, and leave this page, and then when you want to revisit the page, just click on or search win credits and it's going to bring you back to where you were. So this lasts for 3 days. I think you can, keep at it for like 3 days before everything starts again or something like that. So here I'm being asked to buy items that are worth 10 euros, or rather the minimum amount that I have to check out for this first set of buy is 10 euros. Now, when I did it at first, I thought after the first buy, I'll be awarded the 120 euros, but that was not the case. I was told to check out minimum of 10 euros, which I bought some items and I paid. I checked out for the 10 euros and I was asked to buy a second set of items, which I actually did. Like, I really wanted to see where the whole thing was going. And then I wasn't awarded the 120 euros after the second buy. I was asked to make another third buy. I'm like, no, I'm not going on with this. Because actually, the thing is, when I was testing it out, I didn't have anything in mind that I wanted to order on Temu. I was just testing it out. If I really had a lot of things that I wanted to buy, normally those things will appear on the page that I'm being shown. Maybe I would have, gone ahead to pay for everything, because at the end of the day, I'm very sure that I won't spend up to 120 euros, buying those items just for me to unlock 120 euros. It wouldn't make sense. I mean, they won't offer to give you a particular amount of money and expect you to spend the same amount of money. No, that is not how it's going to be done. I mean, it wouldn't even make sense. So I knew that, of course, I wouldn't spend up to that amount, but I just didn't have the patience to, see it through. But I thought, why not share it and see if there's anyone out there that has actually used this code, and if they've gone through with it, maybe you can share in the comment section. And for those that are hearing it for the first time, you can try it out and also share your experience in the comment section, okay? So that is it. One tip I want to suggest or give to us is this: to increase your chances of having items that you're really interested in being shown to you on the page, before you click before you search the win credits code, make sure you add those items to your cart, to your wish list. Search up the items a number of times also for some minutes on the Temu app. Yes, after you've done that, sure you've added it to your wish list and your cart and you've searched it, then go on to search the win credits code and go on with this whole game thing. This is going to increase your chances of having what you really want, being offered to you on these pages. Okay, I hope that helps. This tip also goes for the free gifts game. Okay, it works 100%. That's what I do, and I always see things that I want. I don't know, for some people they say they get things that they are not interested in. That's because you're not applying this tip I just gave. Do it, and I assure you, you're going to see something different. You're going to be getting different results, okay? So that is it about this code win credit. Let me know if you've used this code before or this is your first time of hearing it. Try it out and share your experience. Would like to know how it's went with you. Do you think it's worth it? For me, I feel it will be worth it only when I'm really in need of so many items on Temu that I want to, order at a particular point in time. But if I don't have anything in mind and I'm playing this game, then at that point I might not really see the need for it. So that was one of the reasons I didn't go ahead with the whole thing. I just had to end the process. Okay, so you can leave your comments in the comment section, and if you've gotten any value at all from this video, please like, share and subscribe. For those that have been watching my previous videos, thank you so much. I really value your engagement. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.